The ANCA Motion 619-101-0228 is a fully integrated multi-axis controller that is predominantly used in a series of waterjet cutting systems. The waterjet system is a large system that cuts plate steel with high-pressure water. This ANCA unit controls where the water head is positioned within the tank. This specific unit is from a standard tank system, and when it arrived, it was completely dead due to a catastrophic failure in the regeneration circuit. A regeneration circuit is an electronic circuit that absorbs the energy from motors as they stop, and are typically prone to failure when anything in the system goes wrong. We completely disassembled the system and rebuilt everything from the ground up. As shown in the video, we attach the system to our ANCA control simulator, which simulates all the computer controls and software provided by ANCA. We power the system up and check the attached axis for function using a light array as a simulation for the motor output. At ERD, we rebuild a wide array of motor controllers. This ANCA is a fairly complex one as compared to many we have worked on, considering we had to develop a full simulator. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.